check the video before this one. And I brush out my concealer to blend it into my foundation. Yeah, I already have foundation on. So then I put a little concealer under my eyes, bridge of my nose, and my chin. Then I also blend that out into my foundation. So once I blend out my concealer properly, I go in with my foundation brush. This is just to be sure that there are no like harsh lines in the process. So I do the same thing for the other side, and then I go in with my foundation brush again. So I'm constantly blending my concealer into the foundation. And I bring my setting powder. I just use a shade that is a bit lighter than my skin tone. So I rarely bake, I just set in concealer. Then I go in with my face powder to brush out the excess. I have this powder that is a shade darker than my skin tone. And I just use it to bring back some dimension to my face. Once I'm done with contouring, I just set my face so that everything blends in properly. Once I'm done setting my face, I use my eyeliner, my mascara. And putting on mascara, you have to be very careful and patient. So that's why I always take my time doing this. Then I'll go in with my blush to bring back some color to my face. I love that blush. You can even tell that it's almost finished. Then once I'm done with the blush, I'll start with my lips. This is my favorite part in doing my makeup, to be honest. Like, it just changes my makeup. I don't know. Like lining my lips with a dark lip pencil and lip gloss. And I'm good to go, but I always prefer to put in this pink lip gloss in the middle of my lips, just to bring some color to my lips. And that's all my makeup. So I'll just let you watch the end.